I'm gonna show you guys how I make butter. You take your chive, and you're gonna chop it really fine. You don't need to be Gordon Ramsay. Chive is one of those things, it's really hard to overdo. The fresh stuff is always the best stuff. Throw it into a bowl. Take a couple fronds of dill. Oh man, this makes me want pickles so bad. Dill is one of those things where just a dab will do you, so we're just gonna grab like a pinch, toss it in there. The rest of this stuff, just breathe it in and dream about pickles. You take your mortar and pestle, and you're gonna put in some celery salt. That was probably too much. And then you're gonna put in a bunch of onion salt. Take your garlic powder. This is like the best brand ever. I'll fight you in the comments. Just a dash of paprika. Paprika makes everything taste better. So it's all finely ground, and you're gonna take your Sam's Club butter, unsalted, because we gotta watch that blood pressure stuff. And you're gonna dump all these into your KitchenAid. Once you got all your butter unwrapped and put in the KitchenAid bowl, you're gonna wanna whip this stuff up. So all the chunks are broken up and it's kind of half-heartedly whipped. You gotta add all the goodies. Dump the chive and dill in there. Dump the mortar and pestle in there. I completely forgot. You need to add garlic. Smells amazing. Oh, that's garlic. It's almost like hot, so garlicky. Oh. Well, that got rid of the garlic flavor. That was just intense garlic, but it's really good, I promise. Will you come here and give me a kiss? I just ate a clove of garlic.
Ew.
It stinks, huh? Now I got my garlic cloves, and you're gonna start squishing them. Once they've all been smashed, you're gonna put them back in a pile and then start dicing them. Now that the garlic's all diced, we're gonna drop it into the butter. And now you're gonna take the butter and put it on some like wax paper. This stuff smells so good, guys. I just wanna eat it. We got our like butter loaf. Just kind of fold it in. Make it in a stickish shape. Just keep rolling. Tuck the ends. And there's a stick of butter. And that is the proper way to make butter.